ZachDOD here, and today we're going to be playing Snake. And it's a game about a snake eating food, I guess. Well, and it gets bigger, and you don't want it to bump into itself, or else you'll lose, or if it bumps into a wall. Let me show you. And there's different settings, so like, if you want a lot of food in the beginning, you can do this. If you want to be really fast, you can do this. If you want to be really slow, you can do this. If you want the map to be little, you can do this or anything. And I think you can change color. I'm gonna pick green. Okay, and you can change this. I've never done it before, so let's see. Oh, it changes it to the color. That's cool. Okay. But I'll show you the original color. It's original. Yeah, it's just about thinking food, I guess. Let's see how far it can get in 15 minutes. And we're doing something different, but I'll return to my normal Roblox videos maybe, or I'll keep on doing this series. But I'm doing anything, I guess. Oh, I forgot that if we hit the jam, then we lose. Okay, let's go again. Okay. Oh, wow. I really like this game. It's really fun. Yeah. I guess that's it. You can stop watching, or if you want me to keep playing, then I guess you can see. And maybe I'll do a zombie attack video. I don't know. Okay. No! Oh no. Okay, I'm going to do fast. I mean fast. Let's do this. Let's show you how fast it is. Oh no. See, it's hard to do, but I'll show you what slow is. See, it's very slow. So here, let me just do this for a little. At least I'm gonna go to 8 apples. One more. Okay. Wait. Oh. Okay. That was slow. I like doing regular with this snake because it's a snake. Okay, let's pick this color. I think that would be cool. And I think I never tried this. Let's do this. Wow. This is weird. Okay, oh my goodness. Okay. My high score is like 20 something apples. But it always refreshes for some reason. I don't really like that part. And oh, we didn't try winter. Let's just see what it looks like and then lose and then do another one. Okay, we already showed volcano. What about this one? Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay. Now let's do this one. Oh, that's darkest green like the tree. Like a tree. Okay, jellyfish. I think that would be cool. Oh, it's actually regular blue. Okay. What about this one? This looks cool. Oh, it's purple. Oh, I think they should like make a rainbow one to fit the rainbow snake, you know? But it's okay, let's just do the earth one. Wait, what? The earth is, wait, let me see that again. What? I'm on earth, and it doesn't make any, oh, now it changed, okay. Wait, what happens if I do it and again? It changes because it's the earth. I get it now. Okay. But that actually makes sense now. Okay, let's go. Okay, there you go. And let's just do the regular snake color that gives you. And let's do a small map this time because it will take a long time for me to actually do on normal. It's a lot of snake. Like I think it's like 200 apples to beat it. Huh. And this one's easy because it's not a big box. Ah, that's the hard part. It's so close. I never really played it this fast. No. Oh no, I keep on doing that. Okay, let's do this again. I had to take off my keyboard cover because it's like it's bad. Well, it's not making me win, so I just want to try. Oh yes. No. Okay. I think you see it enough. Okay, guys. So just tell me what else do you want me to play? I guess. I guess because we have some minutes left, we can do a little tic-tac-toe. Okay, I'm the pro, so let me tell you how to win in tic-tac-toe. Okay, so you have to go first, okay? So, oh, they went first? Okay, let's do this again. Wait, wait. Oh, how do you do this? Restart game. Okay, we do that, and then you always have to start in the corner, okay? Now you just do, I think, like, something like this. Oh. And then you do this. Then they have no chance at blocking you. So you have to always go first. But if you don't, you'll get, like, you'll get a cat's game, which is tie. And this is what happens if they go in the middle. Oh, they're not going in the middle. Wait, let's do this again. Come on. I need to show you guys an example of what happens if we go in the middle. No, please, just go in the middle. Okay, I don't think it's actually gonna work now. But if they went in the middle, you were... Okay, let me show you if I go in the middle. Just... Wait, oh, see? They'll win somehow. But let me show you. Come on, just please go in the middle. Okay, let me show you. So, let me just do, like... Let's just do play against friend. Okay, and if I was another person, I did the middle, then this is what I would do. I would do this, but they would maybe probably block me like this. But then, wait, and then I would do this. And then maybe he would do like this or something. Actually, no, I did it wrong. If he did this and, no. If he did this and this, and I did that, and then he did that, and then I did that. Then if he tries to, like, wait, what? But it most likely you'll win, or cats. You'll do a cat. So I don't know how they win though. It's like then they block him like this, and then there's no choice. So you do this, but they do that, and then it's game over for the X. So that's how you do it. Okay, and maybe we have one more game to play, something else, but Okay, and let's listen to some animal sounds. Okay, this is a butterfly. Okay, frog. This is random video. I'm just doing anything I want now. Otter, raccoon. Okay, we must know the fox. We have to get the fox. Wait, let me do this. Animal sounds with the fox. What does the fox say? Let's go see what does fox say. What does the fox? What does the fox say? Woo 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 woo. Okay, let's see what the sounds fox actually make. Oh, okay. That's actually that's cool. Okay. Okay, I guess I'll see you later. You should check out this video. I'll copy the link and put it in the description if you want to know what the fox says. Okay, and bye. I'll see you in the next video.